Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to format a USB flash drive in Windows 10. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up our start menu, and you want to type in this PC. Best match should say this PC right here. Left click on that. Now underneath devices and drives, you want to locate your flash drive or flash disk that you're having the issues with. And you want to right click on it, left click on format. Now underneath file system, you might want to set to ntfs default in most cases. Please keep in mind that before we proceed any further in this video, formatting your flash disk or any drive in particular will remove any data or information that's stored on the drive. So I'd recommend, if you have the ability to, back up any files you have stored on there. And once you have confirmed that, you want to make sure quick format is selected or checkmarked right here. Now you want to left click on the start button. Again, you're going to get a dialog window saying the formatting will erase all data on this disk. Left click on OK to confirm. Should say format complete. You can left click on OK to close out of that screen and then click on close again. And there you go, guys. We've just gone through the process of formatting a USB flash drive. So I hope that process was pretty simple for you all. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.